Hey everyone, this video is for the ones of you that have just taken a huge hit, the kind of hit where it feels like something vital or someone very essential has just walked away from your life. Maybe it was the best team member you ever had. Maybe it was something you thought your business couldn't survive without. I want to talk to you today because what now? What happens next? Are you gonna go into panic mode? Maybe a little. But are you gonna try to go into power mode? Well, if you follow this channel, you are gonna go into power mode. And I'm gonna give you the push that you need. So, where do we begin? When things look bleak, I suppose. When things look bleak. You know that sinking feeling, and it says, that's it, I'm not gonna bounce from this. But let me tell you, the most powerful growth always starts in the dark. Seeds grow in the soil, not in the sunshine. The sunshine comes after. So if you are in a dark space right now, this is where you get the reset, to reset your roots. Be still, but feel. Don't rush to replace. Just feel the loss. I know you need to replace. I know it. Okay? We will get to replace. You will. Something will come up. You will remember the person who asked you some time ago. But don't scramble to plug the hole. Take a bit. Loss clears the space. It hurts. It hurts, yes, but it also clears energy. If you think about it, that person maybe was quite toxic. It reveals that was dependent and that it was unfortunately an important piece of the puzzle for you to lose that. That's where you find your next level. I know it's hard to think like this. Just bear with me, I promise. So, next, now, try to shift your focus from panic to presence. Ask yourself, what did this personal situation really bring me? What gap did they feel? Can I rebuild it all? Can I rebuild that role in a way that is more suitable to me, more aligned with where I'm going, not where I've been? That's the past. That's the past. So now you can move like a spiritual CEO. If you went through that fire, I accepted what happened, and you're thinking about what did I actually do for me and can I rebuild it again? Okay. Leadership isn't about holding everything together, remember. Life is not holding everything together. You can, it's about navigating change with the grace. You can rebuild as long as you leave. You have another day. You will attract new energy. And when you hold your space with self belief and clarity, the right people will walk in, the right opportunities will walk in. So, what's the takeaway from this? When it feels like you have lost something essential, remind yourself you are the essential. Repeat with me. You are the essential. Your vision, your fire, your purpose. That's what you build. That's what built this. And that's what will carry it forward. So, hold your space, my darling, and trust that what's coming next could be even better than what's left. You're not starting fresh, you're starting from more wisdom. It isn't the end, it's a reset. And sometimes the universe clears the way not to hurt you, but to hand you back the power. Rise again, Phoenix, because stars don't need the light to shine. You are the light, my friend. You got this. You got this so much that is gonna wow you what you have achieved. And listen carefully. If you needed to hear this today, it's because you're ready for what's next. Trust me. You're ready. You are ready now. So, thanks for joining me here again today. I have actually achieved 500 watch hours, so I'm actually quite excited. The people are loving my videos. I was very surprised because I've not been doing this for long. And if this spoke to you, though, please like, leave a comment, subscribe. It helps me grow and it helps me give it a more extra motivation to come back and show up every day for you. There is more coming. I'd love to walk this journey with you. See you next time.